Today we're going to look at how to crochet some half hexagons, the pointed half hexagon and also this one, which is more often than not the one that we use. We don't see this pointed half hexagon used very much because it is a little easier to create a border down this shaped side than it is this one where you get the larger dips. Right, having said that, because I like to make these mini hexagon shapes up into cushion panels, I really do need some straight edges. So if I just zoom out and show you this, I'll be making into a cushion panel. I'll work some single crochets all the way around, and as it's a mini hexagon, I've only needed to do 2 rounds. So today's tutorial really is just about how to make some mini half hexagons. Having said all that, let's begin with this shaped half hexagon. Begin with a loop on your hook and chain 4. Slip stitch into the first chain you made to close your 4 chain ring. Chain 4 and work 2 double crochets into the ring. To make your first corner, chain 2. Work 2 more double crochets into the ring. And to work another corner, chain 2. Then work 2 more double crochets into the ring. Chain 1 and then double crochet into one of the chains of the ring if you can. If not, just work a double crochet into the ring. And that completes round 1 of the mini hexagon. For round 2, chain 3. Turn and into your first chain space, work 2 double crochets. Skip over the next 2 double crochets and into your first corner, work 3 double crochets. Two chains and 3 double crochets. Skip over the next 2 double crochets, work 3 double crochets into your next corner. Chain 2 and work another 3 double crochets into the same corner. Skip the next 2 double crochets into your next chain space, work 2 double crochets, and to finish, work a double crochet into the third of those starting chains from round 1. Try to go underneath 2 loops of the chain if you possibly can. If not, just work a double crochet straight into the space. And that completes your mini half hexagon. To finish off, just yarn over, pull through, leave a long tail end so you can use that to weave in. Sorry, not weave in, sew in your mini hexagon to whatever project you're working on. This is the right side. All you do now is weave in this and then use this to sew in your hexagon to your project. Next we'll look at how to crochet the pointed half hexagon. So let's begin. Begin with a slip knot and a loop on your hook and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch in the first chain you made to create a 4-chain ring. Next, chain 4. Then work 3 double crochets into the 4-chain ring. Chain 2 and work another 3 double crochets into the ring. You may find it helpful to just nudge them round slightly. Next, chain 1 and work a double crochet either into the ring or into one of the chains of the 4-chain ring. And that completes row 1 of your pointy half hexagon. For round 2, chain 3 and turn. Work a double crochet into the chain space. Chain 2 and work another double crochet back into the same space. Then work a double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. Work a double crochet into your top 2 chain space, chain 2 and work another double crochet into the same space. Next, work a double crochet into each of the following double crochets. Should have 3, including your double crochet in the corner will give you 4. Next, work a double crochet into your next space, and that gives a total of 5 double crochets down this side too. Chain 2, double crochet into the same space, and then work a double crochet into the 3rd of the starting chains where you began row 1. Or you can work a double crochet straight into the space if you find this tricky. Then yarn over, pull through, snip your yarn but leave quite a long tail because you can use that then to sew the pointy half hexagon into your project. Then just go ahead and weave in this little central end here. So that completes your pointy half hexagon. So that completes the tutorial for today. Just before I go, I'd like to thank you for watching, and just a quick reminder for those of you who aren't subscribed to perhaps consider subscribing, sharing, commenting and like the video if you've enjoyed it. But in the meantime, look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial. Take care.